Yeah, everybody make mistakes, I'm the first to admit it. But once you make a choice, you're forced to live with it. Some people never get it till they live it, and then when they live it, there's not a chance that they ever could forget it. You wish that you could switch it, waiting on that lawyer visit. Now the old me dead and gone like I had Timberlake to spit it. The way I had been living my life just wouldn't cut it. Head always in the clouds with an attitude like fuck it. But that's just immaturity, and surely I figured out thoroughly that that was only hurting me. Now I need to purposely get my life back on track and leave some things in the past. It's as simple as that, yeah.
Some people say that I'm not worth it. I've made mistakes, but nobody's perfect. I guess I give it a try.
I got one last chance to get myself together. I can't lose no more time, it's now or never. And I try to remember who I used to be. I got one last chance to get myself together.
Sometimes you need to realize you got one last chance when the outcome of your life rests within the judge's hands.